Thanks, Mark. It's great to be here, and I'm thrilled to share some of the exciting innovations coming to the Tableau platform. We've been on a mission to help people see and understand data. This mission drives us every single day to make analytics accessible to anyone, anywhere, with any data. And together, we've had some incredible successes. Over the past year, we've delivered new capabilities to unlock your creativity, answer new questions more easily, and we brought Tableau to the browser, to the cloud, and to Slack, giving you even more power and flexibility to scale analytics across your entire organization. And we've expanded our platform to help you solve data challenges with Tableau Prep and Tableau Catalog. Now, later on this week, during Devs on Stage, you'll see some exciting new capabilities around visualizations, interactivity, data management, and new ways to engage this incredible community.
Thanks, Francois. Hi, everyone. Connecting with the team is so important to my day-to-day job, as well as with many of our customers. Have you ever been in Slack talking with a colleague and realized you need data? Well, guess what? I'm extremely excited to share how we're bringing Tableau into Slack. For today's demo, let's pretend I'm Florence, a new fleet manager at a delivery company. I'm responsible for monitoring fuel cost for our vehicle fleet. And I use Slack to collaborate and connect with my team. Oh, it looks like I just got a notification on a change in gas price. Since I'm a fleet manager, an increase in gas price can be really concerning to my bottom line. I'll need to take a look. Introducing Tableau notifications directly in Slack, available in our 21.3 release. Data proactively comes to you. I get notifications for data-driven alerts, as well as things like shared content, and in the future, prep and extract notifications. Next, we'll look at what's coming in a future release. So, it does look like gas prices are increasing in Ohio. I could open this directly in Tableau, but I also have the option for more discovery. I'm pleased to show you Explain Data in Slack, which helps you understand the why behind your data. According to Explain Data, the cost of premium gas in particular has increased. Now, if I want to find data or dashboard, do I need to leave Slack? Not anymore. With Tableau Search in Slack, data is at your fingertips. It's easy. Just search straight from Slack and all your Tableau content is available. Discover insights directly in the flow. Let's go ahead and search for gas prices. This is awesome. I immediately have search results available to me. Here's the data I was looking for. With one click, I can jump directly into Tableau to do further analysis. Let me ask a question. What is the week-over-week difference in premium gas prices in Ohio over the last year? And let's go ahead and look at this as a bar chart. Wow, gas prices in Ohio really do seem volatile. I'll share this with my team in our Slack channel so we can collaborate on this data together. You'll notice as I post this link, Slack automatically provides a richer experience. Now everyone on my team can collaborate on data right in the flow of our work. It looks like Savannah from my team has an idea. She suggests phasing out the vehicles in the fleet that take premium gas. That's an interesting thought. Now I wonder how many of our fleet vehicles actually require premium gas. I don't have to go back to Ask Data in the browser. I can have a conversation with my data directly in Slack. I'm thrilled to show you Ask Data for Slack. Anyone can simply type a question and get visual answers. Let me have a conversation with my data. I wonder how many vehicles in Ohio take premium gas. Looks like about 20%. That's a decent amount. Maybe we should swap out these vehicles when they're due for maintenance. Let me ask another question. How many premium vehicles are likely to need maintenance this month? Because Einstein Discovery is in my data prep flow, and I have a prediction on vehicle maintenance, I can access predictive insights with Ask Data. Let's ask the question. Looks like about 36% of premium vehicles will need maintenance in the coming month. This is actionable information. I'll share this with my team so we can put a plan in place to phase out our premium vehicles when they're due for maintenance. I'm feeling great about managing fuel consumption for the fleet. We were notified of an increase in gas price. We're able to discover more insights with Explain Data and Ask Data, leverage the predictive power of Einstein Discovery, easily search for Tableau content, and share content within a Slack channel. With Slack First Analytics, data becomes a colleague and is integrated into my workflow. Thank you so much for watching how Tableau and Slack can be better together.
Now I'm going to kick it over to Richard Tibbetts to show you what's next. Richard, over to you.
Thank you, Francois. Everyone's talking about how artificial intelligence is going to transform business. But in most areas, AI can't solve problems alone. Business science is all about combining domain expertise with AI to help more people make better decisions faster and more easily. How can our decisions be better informed and the outcomes more reliable? Here, I have a dashboard that helps me plan for coffee sales at my hotel coffee shops based on historical data. I'm already seeing that next year, hotel reservations are looking much better than last year. How can I predict how the increase in reservations is going to impact coffee sales? Well, now, with Tableau Model Builder, I can easily add in predictive analytics all without leaving Tableau. In Model Builder, I start by connecting to the same data sources driving my Tableau dashboard. I can review the data to see what historical information is available, and then I can get started building a predictive model. Next, I choose the field I want to predict, in this case, coffee sales, more specifically maximizing coffee sales. Model Builder automatically scans my data to select the fields that are going to be most useful for my prediction, but I can always apply my own understanding to select what's important. I also know that my colleague Sarah has a lot of experience in planning for cafe procurement. I can easily click Share to bring her into this modeling process. Machine learning works best as a team sport, and with Model Builder, I can bring in domain experts to review and contribute to the process. Next, I click to train the model. Einstein AI is now using automated machine learning to find the best model to predict my coffee sales. In the past, this technology has only been available to data scientists, but now I can do this right here in Tableau. Let's fast forward to the model results. I get a visual display of model performance, including accuracy and top predictors. Because this is all within Tableau, I can share it with my colleagues and get their feedback on the model for maximum trust and transparency. After reviewing the characteristics, we're ready to deploy the model. And because we're still in the Tableau environment, in just a couple of clicks, I can deploy the model using my current project and permission structure. The model is now in production, and I was able to do all of that by myself within Tableau. I already connected it to my original dashboard, now enhanced with predictive insights from the model we just created. I can see all these yellow points where we're likely to have increased coffee sales. Business science helps anyone use accessible machine learning to make predictions right inside Tableau. Now, once we've predicted the future and seen that coffee sales are expected to rise, how can business science help us decide what to do about it? Think about the last planning spreadsheet you used. Clicking on different cells to change values, trying to see what the overall impact would be, figuring out how to model different scenarios and make a decision. It's hard, manual, and error-prone. Remember our coffee shops? Model Builder helped us predict higher sales, and I know I need to prepare for the increase. But how do the decisions I need to make around inventory management ultimately affect profitability or customer satisfaction? I'd really like to be able to compare alternatives and understand expected outcomes. Even better if it was powered by AI. Let me introduce you to some new technology we're working on in Tableau Labs called scenario planning. I already have some scenarios saved that show the impact of manually changing inventory policies. If I click on higher March demand, you see on the right that in this scenario, demand for coffee in March increases to 65,000. That should be great news, but the result is lower customer satisfaction and lower profit. Clicking on lower profit, you can see an AI-generated explanation on the right. This is made possible by a transparent simulation model of the business. But imagine if Tableau could recommend the best changes to optimize the outcome. Well, now it can. I click here to add some scenarios, and I can ask for suggestions. To help the AI suggest scenarios, I identify where I want to start with higher March demand. I choose a target, customer satisfaction, and a goal, 100%. I click Generate, and the AI explores different values for my scenario parameters that can help achieve the goal. If I increase the amount of inventory I keep on hand, then customer satisfaction is improved, but profit is lower. Or I can switch to a faster vendor, and although the cost may be higher, they will deliver the product quicker, allowing me to ensure I have the right stock to get coffee in the hands of each guest. Now customers are extremely happy, and my profit is higher as well. By saving those scenarios back to my plan, I can bring them up for discussion with my colleagues and make the case for changing vendors. And once again, we are doing this all here in Tableau. I can collaborate on these simulations with others and publish the results in dashboards that help drive decisions. This is business science. This is just scratching the surface of all the powerful capabilities to come with Tableau Model Builder and scenario planning. Stay tuned in the coming year for more business science capabilities. Giving it back to you, Francois.
And now several thousand organizations are scaling data preparation with Prep Conductor. And last year, we introduced Tableau Catalog, enabling you to get a complete picture of all of your data being used across your organization, with built-in lineage and impact analysis, solving the last mile of data management, and helping your users understand what your data means and whether it's trusted. This is the foundation for Tableau's data management capabilities. And we're going to extend it even further this coming year with increased security, governance, scale, and flexibility. And to show you all of the latest, here is Purnima Farrar. Purnima, go ahead.
Thank you, Francois. Tableau makes it so easy for anyone to work with their data. Well, now we want to make it easy for anyone to curate and govern data too, because organizations want self-service with governance. They want to balance empowerment with control. We are now taking the next steps to help you centrally manage, govern, and secure all of your data connections. Introducing Virtual Connections. Virtual connections are centrally managed and reusable access points for data. It is the one place to define security policies and define data standards for your users. I can set up access to sales data that is located in Snowflake. And so now, when I connect to the database, I can choose the tables that I want to govern. And that's it. It is that simple. I can also easily define centralized role-level security. Let's set up a data policy to establish regional access for salespeople. This policy can easily validate that the right users have access to the right invoice data. Once I publish this, I have one place to manage access to data, and it is available across Tableau. Now, here is a workbook that uses my virtual connection. It is easy to review the lineage and understand the impact of the data with Tableau Catalog. But notice how all of these descriptions are blank. Adding descriptions is extremely helpful for my users to understand the meaning of my data. In many organizations, this data is managed in enterprise data catalogs such as Collibra, Alation, or Informatica. But I don't want to have to type it all in. Wouldn't it be great if I could leverage that metadata and make it flow into Tableau? Well, now you can. We are introducing the capability to bring external metadata into Tableau so that it fits right into your enterprise data ecosystem. Here, I am bringing in metadata from Alation into Tableau. Now, I can keep my enterprise data catalog in sync with Tableau for all users, all the way from the database right down to the viz on their phone. The final step in my journey today is to start using my data. But there's a quick pit stop. data preparation. With Tableau Prep, preparing data is easy, visual, and interactive. We have been adding new capabilities to Tableau Prep every month, and you've also told us that you want even more flexibility and reusability. Targeted for a future release, Prep extensions will let you extend the power of Tableau Prep with reusable functionality that gives you unlimited possibilities. In this case, I am looking to do sentiment analysis. I see that Prep Extensions has a sentiment analysis tool that is developed by the Tableau user community. I can install this tool, and once I run the flow, I quickly see the positive or negative sentiment. Collaboration doesn't just stop there. The community around Tableau Prep has been growing significantly. Communities such as Workout Wednesday, Prepping Data are driving engaging conversations on how can I make my experience even better. Today, the community copy-pastes flows or exchanges it over email. The more we can collaborate across data enthusiasts, the more powerful our data insights become. That's why we are enabling you to share flows in Tableau Public. You will be able to share flows, best practices, and learn from others. Tableau Public will become the community for Tableau Prep. With all these innovations, Tableau Data Management brings intelligent data governance, preparation, and cataloging together to make it easier to discover, understand, connect, and trust all your data in a repeatable and scalable way. Now, tell us what's next, Francois.
And here to talk a little bit more about what's ahead, please welcome Kate Wright.
Hello, Tableau community. Let's talk about the innovation we are doing to fuel the Tableau economy so you can bring analytics everywhere. As Mark talked about, what we have done together is amazing, and yet there is still so much to do to bring data success to everyone. We want more people to have access to these data-driven opportunities, starting with our talented community. Tableau Public has become a special place for networking, sharing, and learning. Many of you build your careers with Tableau Public. You even use it to show off your portfolios. So we asked ourselves, what if you could more easily advertise your work? Now you can with the Hire Me tag. Let people know that your skills, as seen on Tableau Public, are available for hire. Of course, the community on Tableau Public is only part of the data fam we want to help succeed. Another critical part of the Tableau economy is our partners. Together, we can enable an entire ecosystem of solutions. That's why today I'm announcing our plans for the Tableau Exchange, a place for our community, our partners, and us to discover, share, and trade the assets you need to accelerate success with Tableau. If you've used the Tableau Gallery before, you know you can discover a wide variety of extensions and data connectors. The Tableau Exchange will take that a step further by adding new assets, starting with data sets. Data is at the center of everything we do, but finding, cleaning, and bringing data into Tableau takes precious time. Soon, you will be able to browse and bring data sets like census and weather data from the Tableau Exchange into Tableau seamlessly while you are doing analysis. We also want to help you get to answers faster. That's why we are introducing the Tableau Accelerators, extending the idea we began with dashboard starters. Built by us and our partners, they are designed to leverage best practices from different types of analysis and can help you jump straight into solving your problem. Instead of starting from a blank canvas with Tableau, grab one of the accelerators in the Exchange. For example, if you run a call center, you need to know how to best respond to customer requests while still providing a high level of customer satisfaction. Use our Service Management Accelerator to make the best data-driven decisions. The Tableau Exchange is the place to find what you need to enhance your data and analytics solutions and deploy them even faster. And as a partner, you will soon be able to publish your own solutions into the Tableau Exchange. Now, speaking of building solutions, we are working hard to open our platform to support all of the imaginative solutions that you want to build. We don't know what all those possibilities are, but if you can dream it, we want to enable you to build it. We've been building out the Tableau APIs a ton over the past several years, and you have taken advantage of it. Customers like Cerner are already using Tableau to create analytical applications that improve healthcare outcomes, reduce costs, and manage utilization. And we're going to extend our capabilities even more. We will start by making it easier for developers to connect to Tableau by providing identity and access capabilities for you to use your favorite third-party auth provider to manage your users, rather than managing them with us. You will also soon be able to embed the full magic of Tableau within your apps. Starting with web authoring, soon you can build rich analytical capabilities like viz editing and exploration right into your applications. You will not need to download desktop anymore. You will also not need to manage the infrastructure if you don't want to. These capabilities are also coming to Tableau Online and will be starting soon in pilot. We plan to make more and more of our capabilities available programmatically for you to use as you see fit. Imagine putting a customized Ask data into your own application and programmatically interacting with it, or designing a dedicated experience to monitor your metrics. We know you want to infuse analytics into every application and process in your organization. You want analytics everywhere, and this is how we are going to do it, together. Now, as we create more and more powerful analytics experiences, we want to make sure our platform makes it easier to go from insight to action. Of course, we have actions in Tableau today, like filter actions and URL actions, but we are taking that up a notch. Welcome to the new Tableau Actions. Soon, and already in preview, Tableau Actions will give you one-click execution of any action in any external service by any user. Today, we are building in new actions like kicking off a purchase order, emailing a client, or sharing the dashboard. We are starting with Salesforce Flow, but over time, we will support more workflow engines and more use cases. Let's take a look at an example right now, how I could potentially escalate a support case. As a call center manager, I use this case tracking dashboard to manage all the tickets my team is working on and ensure our customers and our KPIs look healthy. That said, I regularly want to adjust cases right as I am looking at them. So let's use Tableau Actions to do that. I will start by adding a new action to my dashboard. From here, I can browse all of the actions available in my Salesforce org, and I'm going to choose the Escalate case action. Now I'm going to set it up so that on Mark's selection, I will ultimately choose the cases to escalate. And of course, I'm going to have to map the fields appropriately. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new button that's actually going to take the action. I'm going to call it Escalate. Now that the button is configured, let's see just how easy it is to actually escalate a case. In this example, I know we have a customer who is dissatisfied with us. So while this particular support case is only medium priority, I know it'll really help the customer experience to escalate it and get it rapid attention. I'm going to go ahead and escalate now. Very quickly, that case was moved from a medium priority to an escalated priority in the underlying system. Not only that, but if you heard that little Slack notification, you know that Keisha on my team is now on the case, and she knows she has some work to do. It will soon be easy with our platform to go from looking at information to taking action with the new Tableau Actions. You can see just how thrilled we are about our plans to support and fuel the Tableau economy, and how you can truly bring analytics everywhere, because we are still just getting started. Thank you. Wrap it up, Francois.
Thanks, Kate. These new capabilities will truly bring analytics everywhere. As I said at the start, our mission to help people see and understand data is what drives us. It's centered on all people, from the analyst to the business user, from IT to developers. We're making analytics easier, faster, and more actionable. As you've seen today, we're expanding the breadth and depth of the Tableau platform to help you realize the full potential of your data. We're bringing analytics directly where work happens, in the flow of business. We're expanding the ways to understand your data with business science. And we're making it easier to catalog, prepare, secure, and govern your data so you can accelerate the impact of analytics. And we're going to help you bring analytics everywhere and unleash your creativity. The future couldn't be brighter. Thank you and have a great Tableau conference.